If you're a couple in the US, there are various advantages to starting your own side hustle. As a matter of fact, couples that own a business or have side hustles tend to have stronger emotional bonds. As a result, their venture prospers if given the proper attention with due efforts. This doesn't mean that only couples can benefit by starting a side hustle. Needless to say, there are countless side hustles available for singles or those who wish to take on such tasks with a partner or even a sibling. However, this video is about side hustles for couples, and hence I will describe some of the advantages couples can enjoy by launching one or more side hustles. Benefits of side hustles for a couple. There are several benefits that a couple can get by launching a side hustle together. Now, we will explore some of these benefits. If you're a romantically involved couple or married couple, these benefits would surely attract your partner and you. Financial benefits. As a couple, you can derive a lot of financial benefits by launching a side hustle in the US. These are unique benefits for couples, and I am sure you will be attracted to them. Increased income. This is a big one. A side hustle brings in extra money that can be used for anything from paying down debt to saving for a house or dream vacation. Shared financial goals. Working on a side hustle together can help you achieve financial goals faster. You'll be a team working towards something you both want. Reduced financial stress. Having an extra income stream can provide a financial safety net and reduce stress about money. Relationship benefits. As I mentioned earlier, working together on side hustles can also have positive effects on your relationship. Most divorces in the US occur due to money-related issues, but you won't have to worry about that. Stronger bond. Working on a project together can be a great way to bond and communicate as a couple. You'll learn new things about each other and share the satisfaction of success. Shared responsibility. Splitting the workload can make everything easier to manage. You won't be overwhelmed by feeling like you have to do it all yourself. Quality time together. Some side hustles can actually be a fun way to spend time together, especially if you choose something you both enjoy. Other benefits. Additionally, starting a side hustle as a couple helps you get more than just financial and relationship benefits. It can help your partner and you to develop a lot of skills while bringing out the best. Explore skills and interests. A side hustle is a chance to try something new and see if you have a hidden talent or passion for a particular field. Be your own boss. You get to set your own hours and work at your own pace, which can be a welcome change from a traditional job. Of course, there are also challenges to consider, like finding the right type of side hustle for both of you and making sure it doesn't cut too much into your personal time. But overall, the benefits of side hustles for couples in the USA can be significant. Now let's look at some of the best side hustles for couples. As I mentioned earlier, these side hustles are open to everyone. If you're single too, you can take any of these side hustles during your spare time and earn more money. 1. Freelance writing and editing. If either one of you has a way with words, freelance writing can be a lucrative option. There are many online platforms for freelance gigs, or you can reach out to businesses directly. Social media management. Many businesses struggle with social media. If you're social media savvy as a couple, you can offer management services for businesses, including creating content, scheduling posts, and engaging with followers. Virtual assistant services. Virtual assistants, or VAs, provide administrative, technical, or creative assistance remotely. If you have a skill set that can be done virtually, you can team up and offer VA services to businesses or individuals. Blogging and vlogging. Do you have a shared passion? Start a blog or vlog together. Once you build a following, you can monetize it through advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling your own products or services. Online courses. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create and sell online courses. This is a great way to share your knowledge and generate passive income. Etsy shop. If you're creative, you can start an Etsy shop to sell handmade or vintage goods. This is a great way to turn your hobbies into a side hustle. Pet sitting and dog walking. Many pet owners need help caring for their furry friends. If you love animals, you can offer pet sitting and dog walking services. Airbnb hosting. Should you own a house and have a spare room or even an entire home, you can rent it out on Airbnb. This can be a great way to earn extra income, especially if you live in a tourist destination. Cleaning services. For couples that are particular about health and hygiene, offer cleaning services to businesses or individuals. This is a side hustle that can be easily scaled up or down depending on your needs. Event planning. This one is for couples that are organized and detail-oriented. You can offer event planning services. This is a great side hustle for couples who enjoy helping others create special occasions. Graphic design. If you're creative and have a knack for design, you can offer graphic design services to businesses or individuals. This can include creating logos, brochures, social media graphics, and more. Home improvement and handyman services. Couples who know about home improvement and handyman services can launch a side hustle with these skills. This can include tasks like painting, fixing leaky faucets, and assembling furniture. 13. Personal training. As a couple, one of you could be passionate about fitness. You can become a certified personal trainer and offer your services to clients. 14. Consulting. If you have a lot of experience in a particular industry, you can offer consulting services to businesses. This can be a great way to leverage your expertise and earn a good income. 15. Real estate investing. Real estate investing can be a great way to build long-term wealth. However, it's important to do your research before getting started. There is no shortage of side gigs or side hustles that you can start as a couple. In fact, these side hustles could provide you with the much-needed gateway to launch your own business in the US as a couple. You can start a side hustle, and once you gain enough experience and have sufficient money for investment, convert it to a full-time business. As you can see, most of these side gigs can be taken without any investment from you as a couple. Understandably, you would require some basic infrastructure or equipment such as computers to launch these side hustles. However, taking side hustles jointly has distinct benefits that only you can enjoy as a couple. As a matter of fact, you could take more than one side hustle depending on your skills and make more money.